These images that you see, these video are generated by Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max models. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can generate these images as well as AI videos by using Qwen model. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Qwen chat. You'll be getting the first link as chat.qwenlm.ai. You need to just go to this site and make sure that you are creating an account. Okay, you just need to sign in. Once you are done signing in, to the leftmost top you'll be having the model. Click that and select the Qwen 2.5 model. This is the most powerful language model in Qwen series. So select this, and here we will be having option to do a normal AI chat, but apart from that we are having here image generation and video generation. So just click on image generation, and here you can see some sample images generated. If you want to use the prompt, you can use it. I will just change the aspect ratio by clicking this, going with 16:9, and let me just put a prompt over here. So this is going to be the prompt, and I will just run this. So in case if you are just getting any errors, since a lot of people are using it at the same time, just click on the regenerate option. Okay, so that's it, the image has been generated. If you want to download it, you can download it. That looks pretty cool, to be honest. And if you want to regenerate, you can just click on regenerate. So the image takes very less time to generate when compared to the video. The video takes much longer time to generate. So let's see how we can generate the video, and let me just go with the exact same prompt for the video also. So I'll just go here, video generation, and we can see some samples. The video quality looks very good, and same as usual we can change the aspect ratio and put your prompt over here and run it. So we may be getting these errors at times, so just click on regenerate. So after a long try, it has accepted my prompt, and I just gave a new chat and clicked regenerate once, and it just got accepted. And this is due to a lot of people using it. I hope they will fix the traffic in the future, and this will take quite some time. In my case, it took around 10 to 20 minutes to generate a video, so just be patient till then. So finally, after waiting quite some time, I have got the output. So if I just play it, yeah, that looks pretty good, to be honest. I will just zoom it like the full screen. So yeah, we have like quite a few imperfections, but that's not bad. That's not bad for this one, like, to be honest. Yeah, I would give that like a 80 out of 100. Seriously, just a little bit of face imperfections, but apart from that, the background, the throne, the design, everything looks perfect. The hand movement, just a minor, it's a little bit blurry over the face, and apart from that, it literally looks so good. So just try creating this, and that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found this useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.